First, let's understand what error coins are. Each type of error has its unique characteristics and value. Minting process. Knowing the minting process can help you understand how errors occur. Errors can happen at various stages, from the preparation of the planchet to the striking of the coin. To detect error coins, you'll need some essential tools. Look for coins with overlapping designs or double images. These errors include clipped planchets, where a portion of the coin is missing. Attend coin shows and auctions. Coin shows and auctions are great places to find error coins. Network with other collectors and dealers to learn about available error coins. Check pocket change. And following our tips, you'll be well on your way to finding valuable error coins. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more numismatic tips, and watch CoinDon's numerous videos for valuable information.